Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P10 Lite, and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and let me show you on the photo mode the grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So basically they should disappear after the whole operation. So all we have to do right now is to swipe our finger from the right to the left and then scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Restore Defaults. Let's tap on OK. And as you can see, here we've got the very first evidence that the reset option worked, because our camera will ask us for the access to the location, which happens whenever you're opening it for the very first time. Okay, allow. And the second evidence, we do not have the grid lines, which means that we just successfully reset the settings. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.